doing Christmas monkey marathon.
You look ugly. You too. You look
Guys, let's
ugly.
go monkey
Ugly,
marathon Christmas version.
Bro,
Come on.
He's like, oh, man made of cotton.
Come on, let's do monkey marathon, guys. Come on.
Monkey marathon level 1.
Monkey marathon level 1, guys.
Real quick, guys. Let me grab my hat. Let me grab my new hat. Yo, what is that? God damn! I'm fitting an entire tree on my head.
Like
I
give
am
it
a
to
complete. Guys, let's go. Monkey marathon level 1, monkey marathon level 1. Monkey marathon. Guys, let's go. Roll out.
Yeah, monkey marathon. Let's go.
It looks ugly. It's scary.
Guys, let's go monkey marathon. Let's go.
Blue and red. Come over here. Shut up.
Let's go monkey marathon. Come on.
Shut up. Big scary skeleton. Shut up, you dirty monkey. Wow. They got you a damn minor. Shut up, you dirty ooh
This is Christmas. Wake up. Oh God. Where's he? Oh, he's not coming.
Monkey's eyes. I literally saw him. I saw him. I'm not joking. On my mama, I saw her. Run! I'm joking!
How dare you?
I ain't seen nothing yet. I don't want to be killed by your mom!
No.
Okay, this slow.
I don't want to get. I don't want my cheeks to get clapped by that big guy. I don't want my cheeks to get clapped.
Coming? Coming?
Spread your cheeks, boy.
Oh my gosh! Oh, I don't see anything! The bloody monkey, Big Ben! He's run! Bro, do y'all have Bluey's right on me.
Bro, run!
Blue, touching. Oh wait, I don't hear. I almost peed myself from laughing, bro. Red.
Oh God. I'm having a heart attack. Get me out of here.
Let's go.
Well, he's not coming.
He comes out of nowhere. Yeah, that's scary. It doesn't even matter. It's like smack scary anyway. If that monster comes out of nowhere, you're like...
Run. Bro, I have to go into the safe zone.
Oh.